In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Fortnite on a Samsung A12. In this video, I'm gonna showcase the process of downloading Fortnite on your Samsung smartphone. You will be able to download it through the Epic Games Store application and see if it is compatible with your particular model, because it won't run on some specific models of Samsung devices. So to check, go to Fortnite.com through a web browser, and once you arrive at this page, tap this Epic Games icon at the top left. Now you will see a bunch of options. Tap on Play Fortnite. So when you tap on Play Fortnite, you will see Play Now at the top right, and you will be taken into this download option. So what you do in here is choose the option to download the Epic Games Store. This will give you an APK, as you can see here. So download this APK file and open it up. When you open this, it's going to ask you to install the application. I already have it, so I'm going to cancel. But if this is your first time downloading the Epic Games Store on your smartphone, choose the option to install. Now, once this installation is done, you can open the app, and inside you sign in with your Epic Games account. Now, if you look for Fortnite, you will see it on the list of results. All that you have to do here is choose the option to download. So you tap on this blue button, and it is going to start like this. I'm going to stop it here. Now, if your device does not support the game, there's usually going to be an error message along the lines of your device is not supported, or it's not possible to run this game on your device. And if that's the case, then sadly, your particular model of smartphone is not strong enough to run the game. And the only way to bypass that would be to buy a new smartphone. But I recommend trying this to make sure that your device is or isn't supported. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Fortnite on Samsung A12. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.